Date back to. Date from. Date. Deal in. Deal with. Decide against. Decide on. Decrease by. Decrease in. Dedicate to. Delegate something to. Demand something from. Demonstrate something to. Deny. Depend on, upon. Deprive somebody of. Describe something to. Dictate something to. Die from. Die of. Die in an accident. Differ from. Disagree about, on. Disagree with. Disapprove of. Discourage somebody from. Discuss something with. Dismiss somebody from. Dismiss somebody for. Disqualify somebody from. Divide into. Divide something by. Doubt. Dream about. Dream of. Economize on. Enclose something in. End in. End something with, on. Engage in. Entitle somebody to. Entrust somebody with. Entrust something to. Equip something with. Escape from. Escape to. Estimate something at. Examine something for. Exchange something for. Excuse somebody for. Expect something of, from. Expel from. Experiment on. Experiment with. Explain something to.